Here's how to replace the band on a watch. So the watch pin that holds the watch band in place has these little rings on it. So basically take a little screwdriver and just grab it and move it sideways and then pop it off. And then when you're putting it on, just grab it with the screwdriver and slide it into the holes. Some watches are going to have a hole here, and you can put a little, this is a special tool that's got a screwdriver on one side and a poker on the other side. So if there's a hole here, you can just poke it in the hole. In this case, this watch doesn't have a hole, so we're going to have to use the little screwdriver, and you just grab it. Now it's going to go flying is the other thing. So you want to be sure you don't fire it off into the distance and lose it. Now the buckle side goes towards the top of the watch traditionally, and then the long side goes towards the bottom of the watch. Cha-ching, just like that. And on some watches, there's no way to get your screwdriver in the top, but they always leave a little place in the back where you can get to it. So just if you do it from the back side of the watch, no matter how your watch is designed, there should be a spot for it. So to install it, just feed the pin into the new strap. This one's going to be a pretty tight fit, and we make sure that the buckle is facing the right way and that it's up at the top of the watch. We put it in the hole. And this one I might actually be able to do with a fingernail. There we go, that's the top side. So I guess a fingernail, if you've got long fingernails, works as well as a screwdriver. Then again, make sure you got it right side up, not upside down if it's a directional one. They usually are. They're usually different on the top or the bottom. And there we go. So that's all there is to it, pretty easy. And if you need extra pins, this was $6 on eBay. So you can get, this is like 300 of them, all different sizes. So if you're ever afraid that you're gonna someday need these, it's better to just spend $6 and have them around.